Hi everyone, in this video I will tell you how to swap prices in WooCommerce on single product page and shop pages. You need to go to Appearance Theme File Editor, open the function.php file and paste the following code. Here you can see this code. It will swap the prices on single product page and shop page. Then click on the update file button. The file is submitted successfully. Then you can see if I go to single product page and refresh the page, here you can see prices is changed. The sale price shown first and then regular price. Same on the shop pages, it will be changed. By default in WooCommerce there is no such option to save the prices, but you can use this custom code to change the order. Here you can see on shop page it is working fine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel.